Walker found himself a brand new used bumper.
Brand new used.
We're about to stick it on Orange Crush, or whatever you want to call it. Orange Creamsicle?
Orange peel.
Orange peel.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna find those blades you gave me.
Oh, jeez. Excuse me. The old cow catcher. You gonna weld it together? Probably?
Yeah.
And drill some holes? installed. Dude. That looks mean, dude.
Oh, no money.
I don't even think I'd shorten it up.
Nope.
Just need to lift your truck up a little more.
Exactly.
Here it is installed. I'll show the brackets here. Throw a little polish on it. I don't know if you can see them in there or not. Just some angle iron. Bolted to the factory 2nd gen bumper mounts. It's not completely finished yet. I know he wants to put like a winch behind there and maybe a couple fog light holes because it looks just like a big old huge chin. Try to break up the chrome a little bit. So, but it's nice and sturdy. It don't go nowhere. And it's probably stronger than the factory 98 Dodge front bumper. So, truck's coming along. I still need to finish the bed for him. Doing the fake patina, or whatever you want to call it, to match the real patina. I know he's got a real rear bumper he wants to put on it and some mud flaps, but we're getting closer to the end of this one, and we'll start on the next project, which is going to be it's over here on the trailer. You can kind of see the top of it right out there. Great quality video here, but it's a 66 International, so that'll be the next one.